From the time that we were small, we could conquer it all. And the youth that we passed, it all happened so fast. But I never thought the day that you would go away would happen in a flash. I hoped our good times would last. You were innocent and wild from the time you were a child. You'd do anything you could, just like any best friend would. Now it's time for me to say that I'll see you every day. My thoughts, my hopes, my prayers, my dreams, till I'll see you again. I can't wait till we're together, my friend. Try to find you again, guess I'll just have to wait till the end. I'll have to hold to what you left behind. In our acres of green grass, it's forever encased in my mind. I'll miss you till the end of time. Just know we're moving on with you, and that's all that we can do. And every step we'll take with pride, knowing our souls are marching side by side. Although our worries are strong, you keep us moving along, knowing every single day you'll never put us away. And as the time starts to pass, we'll never loosen our grasp. We've been together from the start, and that will never come apart. I can't wait till we're together, my friend. Try to find you again, guess I'll just have to wait till the end. I'll have to hold to what you left behind. In our acres of green grass, it's forever encased in my mind. I'll miss you till the end of time. Till the end of time.
Buckle up, kid. I remember my first time up. Nothing like it. Beats being tied to a desk. Yeah. All right. All right, doing okay. Come on. Doing all right? Yeah. Okay. Almost there, believe it or not. Not bad for a rookie. Break time. Coke? Let go. Let me get that. I love this job!